Hello everyone, my name is 𝐒𝐶𝐸, a trainer here at Jordan College of Technology, Thika main campus, and I am teaching journalism and mass communication. So, what is journalism and mass communication here at Jordan College? We are offering very different and broad subjects that are practically proven to be out there. And some of these courses are film production, we have broadcast journalism, and we also have journalism and mass communication. So, let's begin with broadcast journalism and also journalism and mass communication. We have different equipments because we do a lot of practical, and this helps our students to make it easier for them when they landscape from school to work. They will have something of substance, and that's the skills that they will get. That is why you see we have a lot of things that we are offering here and that they get to practice on. First and foremost, we have the teleprompter. Most of you are not aware what the teleprompter is, so let me just give you a short example of what it is. A teleprompter is basically used to read into it. If you are an anchor who is in TV, you get to use it. So when you see our anchors presenting and you're like, wow, these people are really smart. They are smart, but they're being assisted by the teleprompter because it gets to make their work easier and they get to read the news. After that, we have now our cameras and our video cameras. We have this. This is a DSLR camera. This is the digital version of the camera, and it makes work so much easier because one, it has an inbuilt flash. And if you think that your flash is not enough, we're gonna use the external flash. Other than that, we also have this. This is a video recording camera, and what we use it for is to record our videos. Basically, we can use the camera, but ideally this is better because it has so much functionality, and you are promised that your children will know how to use all these things because we use them. Moving here, we use this to ensure that the microphone has power and signal. So this is what we inbuilt it together with the microphone. So now for photography, we have different things that make work easier for us as photographers. And the first thing is here. This is a diffuser. What do you use it for? It is used to enhance light. Then other than that, we have the softbox. The softbox is where we put and insert the light in so that it can share the light to broad areas. Yes, so this is what journalists and photographers use to make their work softer and a little bit easier. We're going to move to the radio production so that I can show you what we have in the radio room. So welcome to our radio production room, and this is essentially where all the magic happens. So most of our students here at Jordan already have a radio. Did you know that? It's called Jordan Radio. Please find time, tune in and listen to them. And you can see all this is made possible because of all these things that you have. Now we have a few things that I'd like to show you. We have microphones, of course, that make it easier for us to record and to listen in to our customers and to talk to them and everyone else, listeners and everyone. Then after that, we have a mixer. This is what we use to control the systems. We have the connection of the microphone, and this is where we increase, oops, sorry about that. We increase the volume and decrease the volume. And as you've heard from the noise, it's very functional. We have headsets because it's easier for you to record things and to listen without any noise or interruption, where you get to listen to whatever it is that you're singing in the computer or out of the speakers, and it reduces the interruptions and everything. Now, of course, we have the monitor because we need to have music, we need to listen to our radio stations, see our programs, and everything else. And this is where the magic happens. Now, in this production, you will see your students spending a lot of time here. For those of you who want to be radio presenters, this is where you're going to learn all the things, and with the help of us as your trainers, we're going to help you with everything that you need. So now, we've seen what we have done in the video room and here in the radio production room. You might be asking, what course am I going to do after this? This is the course I've chosen, right? Yes. But what am I going to do once I'm done with school? There are so many job opportunities that you can get through this. First of all, you can be a teacher like me, or you can decide to go to the radio production and become a radio presenter. You can also become a TV presenter. You can get to work in an organization and become communications. That entails PR, marketing, advertising, and all those things. Then you can be a graphic designer, where you get to design things. You can be an animator, create cartoons. You can be a film production, and let us see your movies. Let's see your TV series on the TV and on the movies stations, yes. And as well, become anything you want, because journalism is so broad and it's such a beautiful course. So please, parents, allow your students to come here at Jordan, because we make dreams come true, and we make your students feel at home, because this is everything they want and this is everything they desire. See you at Jordan. I can't wait to teach you. I'm so excited. Thank you.